Is that what you call a getaway? Well, tell me what you got away with, 'cause you left the phrase from the ties you severed when you say best friends means friends forever.